Crash out. To fall asleep suddenly or very quickly, often because you were very tired. I got home and just crashed out on the couch. I was so tired after the gym that I just crashed out on the sofa with my clothes still on. Doze off. To go into light sleep for a short time, often slowly and without noticing. I dozed off at my desk in the class. She dozed off during the film. Dozy. Feeling very sleepy and drowsy. I feel dozy after lunch every day. I'm feeling a bit dozy this afternoon. Drift off. To gradually fall asleep or slowly go into a state of sleep. I was just starting to drift off when the phone rang. I drifted off in the middle of that boring lecture. Drowsy. Feeling sleepy or half asleep, often struggling to stay fully awake. I felt drowsy during the lecture. I was so drowsy after having lunch. Hit the sack. To go to bed or go to sleep. The boy is ready to hit the sack. Is it 11 p.m. already? Time for me to hit the sack. Hypersomnia. Sleeping too much or feeling very sleepy all the time, even after a long sleep. I feel sleepy at my office because of hypersomnia. I slept for 2 hours but now I feel tired because of hypersomnia. Insomnia. Not being able to sleep, or difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. I have been suffering from insomnia. She didn't sleep last night because of insomnia. Lie down. To rest in a horizontal position on a bed, sofa, or floor. The doctor told him to lie down on the sofa. I laid down on the floor for a bit. Nap. A short sleep, usually taken during the day. I usually take a quick nap after lunch. I am going to nap to recharge for the afternoon. Nod off. To fall asleep for a short time, especially when you are sitting and not intending to sleep. She nodded off on the bus on her way to work. I was so tired, I nodded off at my desk this morning. Oversleep. To sleep longer than intended and wake up later than planned. I missed the bus this morning because I overslept again. I forgot to set my alarm last night and overslept by nearly an hour. Siesta. A short sleep or rest taken in the afternoon, usually after lunch. He takes a quick siesta under a shady tree after eating lunch. I take a siesta for 30 minutes in the afternoon. Sleep over. To stay at someone's house overnight. Can I sleep over at your apartment tonight? I will sleep over with my friends this weekend. Sleepyhead. A person who is sleepy, loves to sleep, or is slow to wake up. It's time to get up, don't be a sleepyhead. Wake up, sleepyhead. You've been asleep for 10 hours. Slumber. A formal or poetic way to say sleep. It usually refers to sleeping lightly or peacefully. The baby fell into a peaceful slumber as soon as the car started moving. Do not disturb me while I slumber in the morning. Snooze. To sleep lightly for a short time or take a short nap. To sleep for a few extra minutes after the alarm rings, by pressing the snooze button. He is snoozing in the chair. I want to snooze another 10 minutes. Toss and turn. To move restlessly in bed, usually because you cannot sleep. I couldn't sleep. I just tossed and turned all night. I was so excited about the party that I tossed and turned last night. Turn in. To go to bed, to go to sleep. It's getting late, so I think I'll turn in for the night. I'm exhausted from the hike. I'm going to turn in as soon as I finish this tea. Zonk out. To fall asleep very quickly or deeply, usually because you are very tired. I'm so tired, I'm going to zonk out in my bed. She just zonked out after working all day.